So today we do painting, guys, and I have on my mind, but let's see if we can do. So the size is 16 by 20, so let's do it without further ado. So paper plate, why I use paper plate? Because I can throw away after I use. And this is all my acrylic color. It's just green, yellow, blue, brown. I don't have gray, so I have brown. So let's see. So put all the colors on the table, and green, yellow, green, blue, brown, and I put all the colors in this paper plate. So yeah, white, all of this is we use. So here my brushes. So let's do it, guys. The white and blue combination, mix it well and do like this. Yeah, I need to faster because after this I have work, guys. I have only 2 hours break, and I use this opportunity to do it. And yeah, do like that. Brown, because I don't have gray, so brown I mix it with white. So this is the guidelines, and we can retouch later. So this is how I paint, guys. It depends on you, I mean how your technique, but this is my technique. It's easy for me. And yeah, and green supposed to be is light first, middle, medium light, and dark. But I don't want to, I don't want to go back again. So just flow your brush, just play your brush, guys, and you can see the ending. You can retouch, you can make it better, your painting. So this is only the guidelines, guys. So this is step by step. If you want to follow my painting, fine, thank you. So yeah, do like that. I try my best to speak English and explain to you. If you want to follow my painting, so as possible as I can, I speak English to you right now, guys. And pardon, sorry if my explanation is not good enough and not it's not good as you to speak English. So well, practice makes perfect. At this moment, here is green. So just blow your brush, and you can retouch after you put what you want color here. It's up to you if what color do you want to put in your canvas. So yeah, like this, green, and this is a dark green to the other side. Just do like this. My neighbor is so noisy, guys. So yeah, just do like this, and don't be stressed. Do not be stressed about your painting. Just go. Art is art. So yeah, so this is the line, the mountain. So do like this. I'm not expert, or I'm not good enough painter. I just only, I have time, I'm freelance, and I do part-time job. Tiring, but yeah. So I put mountain here. Why I put mountain in this area? because you can see later. Now we put the brown, yeah, and you see that I saw that mountain behind, so I want to connect in this yeah. Now we wash, and then I put blue like that. Yep, there it is. Blue mixed with green, yeah, and do like this, guys. Blue and green. So this is the water, the sea, and you can see here. Just blend your brush like this, and this side. Now we are in the retouch process. That's green, and put hiking pathway, hiking in this edges of the mountain. Now we are putting some green here, yeah. Let you see. You see this? This is the hiking area behind in the mountain. So yeah, and I'm trying to copy this one. So the difference is the mountain, but when we connect like that, can you see that, guys? Just like one canvas, right? So oh my gosh, so beautiful. What do you think, guys? Comment down below. And I cover my sign before. I cover up green, dark green. So yeah, and sign our name here, Martin. Again, shout out to all Martin. And that's all, guys, and hope you enjoy my painting today. And oh my gosh, so beautiful. So what do you think, guys? Comment down below. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, don't forget to share, like, and comment, and see you soon. Hope you like it. You like my painting today. Babus, I love you all.